the first step of the process, we are going to oven dry tomatoes. So we're going to start with 10 Italian plum tomatoes. I just got these from the farmer's market, so they're so fresh and amazing. Wonderful ingredients to work with. First thing we're going to do is there is this little part here, the core, where the stem was attached. So the first thing you need to do is take your knife and just kind of circle around this core and remove it, because that part is not going to taste very good when we dry these. Then just cut it right in half. Okay? Now, for the sake of this demonstration, I'm just going to do 2 of them, but you'll be doing all 10 of these. So, once again, you just take your knife, spin it all around, and pop out that core. Tomatoes are so wonderfully healthy for you. They're filled with lycopene, which is a great antioxidant, and actually by drying them, it draws out even more of those antioxidants. They get enhanced when they're cooked, when tomatoes are cooked. So when they're opened up, sliced in half like this, what you're going to do is take some coarse kosher salt. For the entire recipe, it takes about a teaspoon, and you'll just sprinkle it right on top. What this does is it actually seasons the tomato, as well as it helps to draw out some of that excess moisture. Okay? Then you'll take a paper towel. I like to double it up just so it doesn't take too much moisture. And you will lay them the cut side down on this paper towel. And you'll do this for all 10 of these Italian plum tomatoes. Now, they're going to sit there for an hour. And in that hour, like I said, it'll draw out some of the moisture. And after that hour is done, we'll get ready to dry them in the oven. Oh, and while you're waiting, I would preheat the oven to about 300 degrees. Okay, so it's been an hour, and now we're going to take these, the tomatoes, and put them on a baking sheet in a single layer. Again, I just did 2 of them, but you'll do all 10. And then we're going to put this in our preheated 300-degree oven and dry them. It'll take about 3.5 hours, okay? And you're going to want to keep your eye on them probably in that last half hour. They're going to start curling up on the edges, looking nice and dried. It'll still be a little bit soft in the middle, but you don't want to burn them, of course. Now, let me show you what the finished product looks like. This is what they're going to look like when they come out of the oven, all dried, and at that point, you can start using them for your sandwich.